What is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and I ended up selling the 1000XT. So the 1000XT is gone. That's why I haven't uploaded anything, because I had the bike for sale, but I ended up selling it. Don't get me wrong, I freaking loved the 1000XT. It was a great bike. I've done a bunch of miles on it. If you follow my channel, you've probably seen the video about the Iron Butt I did and the Carolina Challenge, where we went to the 17 different dealerships. I still have a video I haven't uploaded for that as well. Like I said, I love the bike, but I wanted a bike with no payment. I got more for the bike than I owed, so I had a little bit of money to play with. So I did pick up another bike, and that's what this video is about. So let's check it out. So this is my 2007 DL 650 VSTROM. I got a hell of a deal on it. It needed a little TLC. I'm kind of going through it. I got the tank and plastics and all off. There was a ton of extra wiring. I don't know what half of it went to. All of that's gone. There it is on the floor. And I actually have the tank out here. I got it painted black. Now this was one of the silver VSTROMs. Right there is the side, some of the side plastic. And yes, it was painted orange, but while still on the bike. So there's orange paint like everywhere. I got to try to clean it off the forks, off the actual engine. It's going to be a nightmare. This bike has got 65K on it, and I was able to get it for a really good deal, and it's paid for, no payment. So I'm going to go through it, and just like with every other bike I have owned, I'm going to make it my own. It'll be top notch and ready to go once I'm done with it. I'm going to have to do new tires, probably new chain and sprockets. I'm going to do a fuse block for any electrical stuff. I plan on doing heated grips. I've got some auxiliary lights coming. I've already flushed the front and rear master cylinder because that stuff was coffee when I looked at it. If you've seen some of my videos in the past, I did used to have a red 650 VSTROM. So I've had a 650 before. That bike was awesome, and I'm sure this one will be just as good. And at least this one did come with a center stand already, so I don't have to get that. Also went ahead and picked up some luggage as well. I got a really good deal on 3 cases. I'll probably get a different top case because that one's, you know, it won't be able to hold like a helmet and whatnot, which I would love to be able to do. But for now it'll work. But yeah, that's the 07 650 VSTROM. I have a lot of work to do on it. I mean, it was rideable whenever I got it because I actually rode it from where it was parked up to really look at it and everything. There's just a lot of things I wanted to do to it, so that's what's happening right now. And hopefully I'll get it done by the time it starts to warm up again. So I probably won't be doing a lot of riding this winter, especially because it's sitting like it is now, and I just want to focus on getting it done, really. But yeah, I'm excited to see what it's going to look like when I'm completely done. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely do that so you can keep up with the progress of the bike. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one.